Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate whipped cream. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of very cold, heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. For the best results, make sure your mixing bowl and whisk attachment are also thoroughly chilled. This simple preparation ensures a light and airy texture for your delicious treat. Now, let's prepare our dry ingredients. Take your 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder and 1/4 cup of powdered sugar and sift them together into a small bowl. This important step helps to break up any clumps in the cocoa and sugar, ensuring a perfectly smooth and lump-free chocolate whipped cream. It guarantees a consistent flavor and a delightful, silky texture throughout. Next, pour your 1 cup of very cold, heavy cream into the chilled mixing bowl. Start whipping the cream on a medium-low speed, then gradually increase it to medium-high. Continue whipping until you see soft peaks begin to form. At this point, slowly add your sifted cocoa powder and powdered sugar mixture, a little at a time, while the mixer is still running. Keep whipping the chocolate cream until it reaches a beautiful, stiff peak consistency. You'll know it's ready when the peaks hold their shape firmly. Be mindful not to overwhip, as this can cause the cream to become grainy. Your homemade chocolate whipped cream is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately, or store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.